Iceland is not just waterfalls and volcanoes. It's a survival story written on fire and ice. For thousands of years, eruptions and glaciers they have fought over this land. The result, a place as harsh as it's beautiful. But what truly matters, Iceland is unique. It isn't just a landscape, it's the people that shapes it. Farmers herding sheep in lava fields and families building turf houses from earth itself. Sagas are passed down through generations for centuries, teaching resilience and respect. Traveling isn't about chasing the perfect picture here or the perfect spot. It's about understanding what it means to live with nature and not against it. Follow us to discover the real Iceland and the true essence of travel.